In a market, buyers and sellers make decisions based on information. Consumers need information about price, quality, risks, and benefits. Producers need information about consumer demand, prices, and market conditions. When both sides of a transaction have the same information, we call this symmetric information. In A-level economics, symmetric information is a situation in which all participants have the same information about market conditions. For example, imagine buying a standard new product from a trusted shop where the price, quality, warranty, and other product details are clearly available. The buyer knows what they're getting and the seller knows what they're selling. There is no major hidden information problem. In this case, the market is more likely to work efficiently because consumers can make rational decisions. If they think the benefit is greater than the price, they buy. If not, they do not buy. But markets often do not work like this. Sometimes one side has better information than the other. This is called asymmetric information. It is a situation in which some participants in the market have better information about market conditions than others. This matters because markets depend on informed decision-making. If buyers or sellers lack important information, they may make decisions that they would not have made if they had full information. For example, a seller may know more about the quality of a product than the buyer, or a buyer may know more about their own risk level than the seller. This creates an information gap, and the key logic is one side might have more information while the other cannot accurately judge the quality, the risk, or the true value. And then the price may no longer reflect the true quality, the true risk of the transaction. Eventually, the wrong goods or the wrong participants may dominate the market and mutually beneficial transactions may not take place. So asymmetric information can finally lead to market failure because the free market may fail to allocate resources efficiently.